Hello friends, so yesterday's lectures we are already completed the industrial biotechnology paper. The unit second is that the organic solvent. So here is the today's lecture. So we are discussing the next point in this the unit second, that is a amino acid productions. Amino acid productions. So, so firstly, what is amino acids? We know about this the proteins. Okay, protein it is a made up of the 20 different types of the amino acids. The amino acid it is a play an important role in the protein synthesis. Okay, protein synthesis purposes. There are the other transcription translation purposes. Okay, other metabolic reactions, metabolic process are the require of the amino acids. Okay, the amino acid it is a present in the various types of the foods, various types of the vegetables, various types of the non-vegetarian foods. Okay, so it is various important play and the important role in a protein formation. In this the protein there are contain the 20 different types of the amino acids. One of the another point important to related the amino acids in this that this there are the 20 different types of the amino acid. These are the some amino acids are the acidic in nature. Some amino acids are basic in nature. Some amino acids are neutral in nature. Here is a categorized into the sub three groups. It is a acidic in nature, another one is a basic in nature, and the third one is a neutral in nature. So in this the protein there are contained the 20 different types of the amino acid, and these the amino acids are the three different categories: acidic, basic, and the neutral. Okay. So another important point for the introductory on this the amino acid. In this the amino acids there in the body, in our the body that are the contain the 20 different amino acids. The protein is made up of 20 different amino acids, but in these the amino acids the body of that of the host organism, the some amino acids it synthesize in that of the body, and the some amino acids are the supplemented. They are serving from the, they are isolating from that of the foods. ओके, जे काही अमायनो ॲसिड्स आहेत ते दोन टाइप्स असतात, जे की इसेन्शियल अमायनो ॲसिड्स, another one is a non-essential amino acid. Here is a categorized into the two types, that is the essential amino acid and the non-essential amino acid. The host body it is synthesized the inside of the that the body of the organisms. The these amino acid is known as a essential amino acid. जे की essential amino acid असतात ते कुठं फॉर्म होतात inside of that the host organism. It's not required the any machinery and the any it not required the artificially into the foods. Because of this the body machinery it is a self synthesizing the essential amino acid in that of the host organisms. That is a non-essential amino acid. These are the amino acid the body is not synthesizing this type of the amino acid. These amino acids we are consuming the supplemented from the foods. Okay, so this is the important categories of these the amino acids. You are know about the various types of the amino acids like the name glutamic acid, lysine, asparagine, proline. Okay, there are the 20 different type of the amino acid, but in your second unit there are the giving your syllabus, that is a glutamic acid and okay, glutamic acids and tryptophans. So today's lecture we are discussing the microbial production of glutamic acids. L-glutamic acids or glutamic acids. So what is the nature of this the amino acid? According to Minis, it is a acidic in nature. So we are already know some of these the important applications to our life. Then we are there producing through the fermentation technology. Which are the applications of these the amino acids? The amino acids has a extensively industrial applications. These amino acids are the extensively industrial applications. About the 66% of the amino acid it produced are used in a food industry. 66% जे अमाइनो एसिड्स आहेत इट इज यूजिंग इन अ फूड इंडस्ट्री बिकॉज ऑफ इन दिस द वेरियस फूड्स like the yogurts, like the milk foods, okay, like the fruit juices, it is also added the supplemented food. We are seeing in that the some foods it is highlighting that it is a extra sources of the protein, and we know about the proteins. That is a protein, it is made up of 20 different types of the amino acid. It means that it is an important application in a 66% of that of the food industry. 31% it is used as a feed additives. 31% it is used as a feed additives, and 4% it is used in a medicines and the cosmetics. Medicines and the cosmetics as a starting material in a chemical industry. As a starting material in a chemical industry.